Microsoft offers two powerful analytics tools, Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. But which one is right for your enterprise? Power BI is widely known for its data visualization capabilities, but Microsoft Fabric takes things further by combining analytics, data storage, and AI-driven automation into one integrated platform. As Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosera, puts it, Power BI is a business intelligence powerhouse, designed to transform raw data into interactive dashboards and reports. Microsoft Fabric, on the other hand, is a full-scale enterprise analytics platform built to centralize data. Power BI allows users to connect to various data sources and create reports, making it a go-to tool for business intelligence. It includes Power BI Desktop, a cloud-based service, and an on-premises reporting solution. Microsoft is making a push to integrate Power BI users into Fabric, offering Fabric's capabilities at no extra cost to Power BI Premium subscribers. Fabric, on the other hand, is built for large-scale analytics. It merges multiple data services into a unified platform, supporting advanced data transformation, AI integration, and real-time processing. Its capacity-based pricing model makes it ideal for organizations that need enterprise-wide analytics without managing per-user costs. Features like OneLake ensure centralized data storage, while Direct Lake Mode allows Power BI users to query data instantly without refresh delays. If you need interactive dashboards and standalone reporting, Power BI is a solid choice. If your business requires full-scale data management and AI-driven automation, Microsoft Fabric offers a more comprehensive solution. You can read the full breakdown of Power BI and Microsoft Fabric on our website. Be sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist so you never miss an update about what Microsoft has to offer enterprises.